Welcome to Fresh Thinking School of Brain Science. Your brain vessels the genius brain. How do they compare? In the intricate landscape of the human mind, the concept of genius has captivated and mystified us for centuries. Are the brains of geniuses fundamentally different from us? Do they possess extraordinary wiring or unique structures that propel them to unparalleled achievements? Your brain vessels genius brain embarks on a journey to explore the intriguing similarities and subtle nuances that distinguish the brains of exceptional individuals from the rest of us. Delving into the depth of neuroscience and cognitive science, we will uncover the mysteries behind exceptional individuals with intelligence and creativity through meticulous examination of brain scans, studies of neural connectivity, and analysis of cognitive processes. We will investigate whether genius is merely a matter of superior brain power or a confluence of various factors. The exploration of your brain versus genius brain will illuminate the potential neurological underpinnings of genius and challenge conventional notions about intelligence and talent. Examining case studies of renowned geniuses throughout history, from Albert Einstein to Leonardo da Vinci, we will glean insights into their unique cognitive profiles and factors contributing to their extraordinary achievements, while celebrating the marvels of genius brain. We will also acknowledge the remarkable adaptability and potential of the human brain as a whole. By understanding the principles of neuroplasticity and cognitive enhancement, we can empower ourselves to cultivate our intellectual and creative capacities. Ultimately, your brain vessels genius brain seeks to inspire and empower readers to unlock their full potential, regardless of their innate abilities. By unraveling the complexities of the genius mind, we can all learn to harness the power of our brains to achieve extraordinary feats in our lives. The notion that geniuses possess brains fundamentally different from the rest of us is captivating, but research suggests a more nuanced reality. While the basic architecture of a genius, an average brain, is remarkably similar, subtle distinctions have emerged under scientific scrutiny. Think of it like two houses built with the exact blueprint. Both have essential rooms and features, but one might have slightly higher ceilings, oversized windows, or more intricate woodwork. Similarly, genius brains and average brains share the same fundamental components: neurons, synapses, and neural networks, but their organization and functioning variations may contribute to exceptional abilities. Although intriguing, these nuances do not redefine a brain's essence. They merely highlight variations within a common framework. For instance, research has suggested that genius brains efficiently utilize specific neural pathways or possesses highlighted connectivity between different brain regions. Moreover, certain brain areas, such as those associated with spatial reasoning or mathematical aptitude, might be more developed in individuals with exceptional talents. These subtle variations, like brushstrokes on a canvas, contribute to each individual's unique cognitive landscape. Remembering that the human brain is a dynamic and adaptable organ is crucial. Intelligence is not a fixed attribute, but a complex interplay of genetic predisposition, environmental influences, and personal experiences. While research on genius brains offers valuable insights, it underscores the remarkable complexity and plasticity of the human mind. Similarities. Similarities in the context of brains refers to the shared characteristic between individuals' brains, regardless of their level of intelligence. These similarities encompass both structural and functional aspects. Structurally, all brains comprise the same fundamental building blocks: neurons, synapses, and glial cells. Functionally, they perform similar operations such as processing information, forming memories, and enabling thought. While individual brains may vary in size, shape, or efficiency, these fundamental similarities underscore the shared biological foundation of human cognition. Whether you are a genius or an everyday individual, the essence of your brain remains remarkably consistent. Both genius and average brains share fundamental building blocks and operational principles. At the core of every brain lies an intricate network of neurons, the specialized cells that transmit electrical impulses. These neurons communicate with each other through tiny gaps called synapses, forming a vast interconnected web. This network is the foundation for all cognitive processes, from simple sensory perception to complex abstract thought. In addition to neurons, the brain also houses glial cells, which play a vital role in supporting and nourishing the neurons. These unsung heroes of the brain maintain the optimal environment for neural communication and contribute to overall brain health. This shared neural architecture allows genius and average brains to engage in the same fundamental functions. Information from the external world is received and processed through intricate neural circuits, leading to the formation of memories, the generation of thoughts, and the ability to reason and problem solve. While individual brains may vary in size, shape, and specific neural connections, the underlying mechanisms remain remarkably consistent. The genius and average brains operate on the same principles, using the same cellular machinery to navigate the complexities of the world around us. So the next time you marvel at the achievements of a genius, remember that your brain shares the same remarkable potential. While individual differences in intelligence and talents exist, the fundamental architecture of the brain unites us all in the shared human experience of thought, memory, and cognition. The difference between genius and average brain's efficiency. In brain function, efficiency means achieving cognitive goals while optimizing neural resource use. This can manifest in various ways, such as faster processing speed, utilizing fewer neural pathways, or engaging specific brain regions more effectively. A more efficient brain may require less energy or fewer neurons to complete a task, ultimately enhancing cognitive performance. Research suggests knowledgeable individuals might exhibit greater brain efficiency than those with average intelligence, potentially explaining their superior cognitive abilities. Research further suggests that the brains of knowledgeable individuals operate with a heightened efficiency level, employing distinct problem-solving strategies compared to those with average intelligence. While both groups utilize the same neural machinery, how they deploy it might differ significantly. Think of it like two drivers navigating the same road network. While both drivers have access at the same roads and intersections, one driver might take a more direct route, utilizing lesser known shortcuts and optimizing their path for efficiency. Similarly, knowledgeable individuals might tap into different neural networks or regions, bypassing conventional routes and streamlining their cognitive processes. This efficiency could manifest in various ways. For instance, knowledgeable individual might engage a broader range of brain regions during problem-solving tasks, indicating a more distributed and integrated approach to cognition. They also exhibit highlighted connectivity between brain areas, allowing faster and more efficient communication between neural circuits. Moreover, research suggests knowledgeable individuals might rely more heavily on specific brain regions associated with higher order cognitive functions, such as the prefrontal cortex. This region plays a crucial role in planning, decision making, and abstract reasoning, suggesting that individuals with exceptional intelligence might leverage its capabilities to a greater extent. It is important to note that these findings are based on a growing body of research, and further investigation is needed to fully understand the intricacies of the brain function in knowledgeable individuals. Nevertheless, these studies offer intriguing insights into the potential neural mechanisms contributing to exceptional cognitive abilities. Connectivity. In the context of the brain, connectivity refers to the intricate network of neural connections that enable communication and information exchange between different regions. These connections can be structural, referring to physical pathways like axons and synapses, or functional, denoting the statistical relationships and patterns of activation between brain regions. Higher connectivity, particularly long-range connections, is thought to facilitate faster and more integrated information processing, potentially contributing to enhanced cognitive abilities in geniuses. Emerging research suggests that the brains of geniuses may be distinguished by a remarkable feature, an abundance of long-range neural connections. These connections, like superhighways of the mind, enable rapid communication between distinct brain regions. This intricate network, often more extensive in geniuses, could be a critical factor in their exceptional cognitive abilities. Imagine a bustling city with a well-developed transportation system. Efficient highways and railways allow for swift movement of goods and people across vast distances, fostering seamless integration and collaboration between districts. Similarly, extensive long-range connections in genius brains may facilitate the efficient flow of information across diverse neural territories, enabling them to process and integrate complex data with remarkable speed and fluency. This heightened connectivity could explain the exceptional ability of geniuses to draw connections between seemingly disparate concepts, synthesize information from various sources, and generate creative insights. They can forge novel associations and arrive at groundbreaking solutions by rapidly accessing, and integrating information from different brain regions. Furthermore, these long-range connections may contribute to the holistic thinking that often characterizes genius. Instead of compartmentalizing information into isolated silos, geniuses may perceive the world as an interconnected web, recognizing patterns and relationships that elude others. While further research is needed to fully unravel the intricacies of neural connectivity in genius brains, these findings offer a tantalizing glimpse into the neural underpinnings of exceptional cognitive abilities. The brain's wiring, particularly the extent of its long-range connections, may play a crucial role in shaping the unique cognitive landscape and geniuses. Glial cells. Glial cells are non-neural cells in the nervous system that play a crucial supportive and supporting roles for neurons. They outnumber neurons and make up about half of the brain's volume. Glial cells have various functions, including providing structural support, insulating neurons, and supplying nutrients and oxygen, and maintaining the chemical environment surrounding neurons. Glial cells also participate in immune responses and help repair damaged neural tissue. While often overlooked in favor of neurons, they are essential for proper brain function and development. The brain of Albert Einstein, the renowned physicist who revolutionized our understanding of space, time, and gravity, continues to intrigue scientists even decades after his passing. One particularly fascinating discovery involves the density of glial cells in his brain. Glial cells, often overlooked in favor of the more glamorous neurons, are the unsung heroes of the brain, providing essential support and nourishment to the neurons responsible for transmitting information. Upon examination, Einstein's brain revealed a higher than average density of glial cells, particularly in the regions associated with complex thinking and mathematical reasoning. This abundance of glial cells suggests that Einstein's brain might have had an increased metabolic demand, requiring more energy to function optimally. Imagine a bustling city of a robust power grid, a city with numerous skyscrapers and advanced technologies would naturally require a more excellent energy supply to sustain its operations than a smaller town. Similarly, with its heightened neural activity and complex computations, Einstein's brain might have relied on the increased support provided by the abundant glial cells to meet its energy needs. This finding shed light on the unique neurological makeup of a genius like Einstein and highlights the crucial role of glial cells in brain function. While neurons are often considered the stars of the show, glial cells are the unsung heroes working tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure the smooth operation of the neural network. The study of Einstein's brain reminds us that intelligence is not solely determined by the number of neurons, but also by the intricate interplay between different cell types in the brain. By understanding the complex interactions between neurons and glial cells, we can gain deeper insights into the neurological underpinnings of the exceptional cognitive abilities, specific regions. In the context of the brain's specific regions refer to distinct areas with specialized functions. These regions are defined by their anatomical location, cellular composition, and connectivity patterns. Examples include the parietal lobe associated with spatial reasoning and mathematics, the temporal lobe involved in language and memory, and the prefrontal cortex responsible for executive functions like decision making and planning. Research suggests that certain regions may be larger or more active in individuals with exceptional abilities, highlighting their potential role in specific cognitive skills. The brains of certain geniuses, such as Albert Einstein, have revealed intriguing structural variations compared to the average brain. While the overall architecture remains consistent, Specific regions, like the parietal lobe, responsible for mathematical and spatial reasoning, have been observed to be more prominent in some exceptional individuals. The parietal lobe, situated at the top back of the brain, plays a pivotal role in processing sensory information related to touch, pressure, and temperature. It also integrates information from various senses to create a cohesive perception of the world around us. Notably, this region is heavily involved in mathematical reasoning, spatial awareness, and the ability to mentally manipulate objects. In the case of Einstein, post-mortem analysis of his brain revealed a significant larger parietal lobe compared to the average. This finding aligns with his exceptional aptitude for mathematical and spatial reasoning, which undoubtedly contributed to his groundbreaking theories in physics. While the enlarged parietal lobe might be a characteristic of some geniuses, it is crucial to remember that brain size alone doesn't determine intelligence. Intelligence is a complex interplay of genetic, environmental, and experiential factors. However, the observation of larger parietal lobes in specific individuals with exceptional abilities raises intriguing questions about the relationship between brain structure and cognitive function. Could a larger parietal lobe provide a greater capacity for processing complex mathematical concepts or visualizing intricate spatial relationship? Well, further research is needed to explore this fascinating connection. Understanding the nuances of brain structure in individuals with exceptional talents can offer valuable insights into the neural mechanisms underlying exceptional abilities. While not a definite marker of genius, the enlarged parietal lobe in specific individuals provides a tantalizing clue about the parietal relationship between brain anatomy and cognitive prowess. Considerations. In discussing genius brains, considerations refers to the various factors that need to be acknowledged and considered when interpreting research findings or drawing conclusions. These considerations can be diverse, encompassing the limitations of scientific studies, the complex interplay of genetics and environment, the multifaceted nature of intelligence, and the ethical implications of studying exceptional brains. Considering these various factors, we can ensure a more nuanced and comprehensive understanding of genius and its neurological underpinnings. The path to genius is not paved by a single brain characteristic. While research has unveiled intriguing differences in the brains of geniuses, this alone cannot fully explain their extraordinary abilities. The human brain is a complex organ, and genius emerges from a symphony of factors working in harmony. Persistence, the unwavering dedication to a craft or idea, fuels the journey toward mastery. Creativity, the ability to generate novel ideas and solutions, allows geniuses to think beyond conventional boundaries. And a conducive environment that nurtures curiosity, provides learning opportunities, and encourages risk-taking spark the flames of genius within. Genius is not merely a matter of innate brain power, but a culmination of various personal attributes, environmental influences, and unwavering determination. While brain differences offer valuable clues, the interplay of these diverse factors truly unlocks exceptional potential and paves the way for groundbreaking achievements. The very definition of genius is a puzzle with many pieces. It is not a one-size-fits-all concept, but a kaleidoscope of diverse talents and intellectual strengths. Some geniuses excel in mathematics, others in art, and others in leadership or innovation. This diversity makes pinpointing a single brain feature responsible for genius challenging. Intelligence is multifaceted, encompassing various cognitive abilities like logical reasoning, spatial awareness, linguistic fluency, and emotional intelligence. Genius can manifest in any of these domains and often in unexpected combinations. Moreover, exceptional talent and the ability to perform at a remarkably high level in a specific field further complicate the picture. Talent may involve a unique blend of cognitive skills, personality traits, and relentless practice. Therefore, searching for a single brain structure or function as the sole determinant of genius is like finding a universal key that unlocks all doors. Genius is not a singular entity, but a constellation of exceptional abilities, each with its own neural underpinnings. Conclusion. The ongoing exploration of genius brains provides a treasure trove of information, revealing fascinating connections between brain structure and exceptional talents. We have discovered some intriguing differences, hinting at how the brains of geniuses might be wired for extraordinary feats. However, remember that the human brain is an intricate masterpiece, a dynamic organ with remarkable adaptability. Intelligence isn't solely determined by a specific brain structure or gene. It is a complex tapestry woven together by a multitude of factors. Genetics lays the foundation, providing the raw materials and potential for intellectual growth. But our environment, the nurturing or challenging experiences we encounter, shapes and molds that potential. From early childhood education and lifelong learning, the experiences we accumulate throughout life play a pivotal role in shaping our cognitive abilities. Individual experiences, the unique challenges we overcome, the passions we pursue, and the knowledge we acquire further contribute to our intellectual development. Every interaction, every lesson learned leaves a lasting imprint on our neural pathways, forging connections that shape our unique intelligence. Therefore, while studying genius brains unveils intriguing insights, it is crucial to remember that intelligence is multifaceted. It is a dynamic interplay between nature and nurture, an ongoing dance between our genes, environment, and the unique experiences that shape our individual journey. This is Dr. Masasekane Misha, COSA Director of the Fresh Thinking School of Brain Science. We thank you for coming around. Really appreciate it. Thank you.